Hello children, in this video we will discuss the fertilization in plants. First we'll discuss what is fertilization. The fusion of male and female gamete to produce a zygote. That process is known as, that fusion is known as fertilization. You must have discussed in your previous classes as well, bache. Whenever the gametes are transferred, those gametes will fuse with each other. Their nuclei will mix with each other and the first diploid cell will be formed. The first two set of chromosome possessing cell will be formed. That cell is known as zygote. उस cell को हम क्या बोलते हैं बच्चे? Zygote. So the fusion of male and female gamete to produce a zygote is known as fertilization. But in plants, this fertilization is a special process. It is referred as double fertilization. Why is it so? In this video we will discuss that thing in detail. Bache, if you recall the diagrams, we had drawn the diagram of female gamete like this. It has three parts: the stigma, the swollen part, ovary, and the middle connecting part of stigma and ovary, that is style. Then we'll discuss the pollination. The pollen grain is transferred from anther to the stigma by the help of various agents. Pollen grain is composed of two nuclei, tube nuclei and generative. As this pollen grain folds over it, this pollen grain will start to grow from the germ pore. Pollen grain has an opening known as germ pore. From it will start to grow a pipe, a tube. That tube will grow only if stigma allows the pollen grain. As much as stigma is the receptive part, as well as stigma will check the compatibility and incompatibility. So stigma पहले check करेगा कि ये जो pollen grain आया है वो मेरी species का है भी या नहीं. And then it will allow that pollen grain to grow. Germ pore से एक pollen tube arise होगी और वो pollen tube कहाँ तक जाएगी बच्चे? नीचे. नीचे क्या है बच्चे? If we recall the diagram, bache, then at the bottom oval shaped structure are present, that is known as embryo sac or ovule. Make it an oval size. It has antipodal cells on the chalaza side and it has three cells, just like the symbol of Adidas Originals that contain egg, the female gamete. So the fusion of this gamete will take place with this. For that we require a pollen tube that we will discuss now. So that end is known as, this end where the egg is present is known as micropipe. Along with that, at the center it has a polar nucleus. So, in the fertilization of plants, first what happens when pollen grain lands over the stigma, stigma checks the compatibility and incompatibility, and if stigma finds it compatible, then it will release a chemical. That chemical is inositol sugar complex. Inositol sugar complex. And in reference of that chemical, that sugar complex chemical, pollen tube is generated. क्या जनरेट होगी बच्चे? पॉलन ट्यूब। जैसे ही डायग्राम में पॉलन ट्यूब आ जाएगी बता, न्यूक्लियस ऊपर नहीं रहेंगे, दीज न्यूक्लियाई विल कम डाउन, द जनरेटिव न्यूक्लियाई इज फॉलोड अप बाय ट्यूब. As the pollen tube, this tube is known as pollen tube. This pollen tube keep on moving downwards. These nuclei also moves along with it. This pollen tube penetrates the style. ये pollen tube बच्चों style को penetrate करती हुई नीचे जाएगी, and then brings these nuclei, these two nuclei, to the bottom. This process takes place in the response to a chemical, and that chemical is inositol sugar complex. So these two names must not be present here bache now, as the pollen tubes carrying it along with it. In front it composed of generative nuclei and followed up by ट्यूब. टिप पर पॉलन ट्यूब की जनरेटिव न्यूक्लिया जाएगा और उसके पीछे पीछे ट्यूब. सो व्हाट हैपेंस बच्चे? pollen grain lands over the stigma. Stigma checks the compatibility and incompatibility, releases a chemical inositol sugar complex, in the reference of which pollen tube is generated, and that pollen tube carries the two nuclei of pollen grain, that is generative nuclei and tube nuclei, towards the ovule through micropylar end. इससे समझिए बच्चे क्या हुआ? पॉलन ग्रेन लैंड कर गया स्टिग्मा पर. स्टिग्मा ने चेक किया कि ये पॉलन ग्रेन सेम स्पीशीज का है या नहीं, और स्टिग्मा ने केमिकल रिलीज किया, दैट इज नोन एज इनोसिटोल शुगर कॉम्प्लेक्स. इन रिस्पॉन्स टू दैट केमिकल, the pollen grain generates a tube known as pollen tube. That tube carries the nuclei, that is generative nuclei and tube nuclei, from the micropylar end to the ovule. किस एंड से लेकर जाएगी? Micropylar end से. And after that, the fertilization starts. The first step is true fertilization or generative fertilization. What is it, bache? The fusion of generative nuclei with egg. The fusion of generative nuclei with egg or ovum to produce a zygote. That process is known as true fertilization or generative fertilization. बच्चे ये गैमीट यहां तक पहुंचा तो ये जनरेटिव न्यूक्लियर पहले किससे फ्यूज हो जाएगा? एग से, एंड दैट विल फॉर्म्स अ zygote. और इससे क्या बन जाएगा बच्चों? एक zygote बन जाएगा. This first fertilization is known as true fertilization or generative fertilization. So the fusion of generative nuclei of the pollen grain with the egg or ovum of the female gamete is known as, to produce zygote is known as true fertilization or generative fertilization. Now बच्चे, there is still one more nuclei left. अभी एक nuclei बच गया, and that is tube nuclei. This tube nuclei fuses with polar nuclei and forms a triploid structure. What do you mean by triploid? Achha, triploid contains tri means three and ploidy means set of chromosomes. देखो बच्चों, पोलर न्यूक्लियाई के पास दो न्यूक्लियाई तो पहले से ही है, और एक न्यूक्लियर ट्यूब आ गया तो कितने न्यूक्लियर हो गए? 2 और 1 3. तो देयर आर 3 सेट ऑफ chromosomes as it contains 3 nuclei and 3 nuclei fuse with each other. जब बच्चे 3 सेट फ्यूज हो जाएंगे, that is known as triploid chromosome, triploid set, and forms a triploid structure known as endosperm. And this kind of fertilization is known as triple fusion. A very, very important definition for your board exam, बच्चे. What is triple fusion? Fusion means meeting, meet होना बच्चे, merge होना, और triple means 3. The fusion of tube nuclei, the second pollen grain nuclei, with the polar nuclei to form a triploid structure that is known as endosperm. That is known as, this process, this fusion is known as triple fusion. इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं बच्चे? ट्रिपल फ्यूजन. So the first one is generating nuclei fuses with egg to produce zygote. That is known as true fertilization or generative fertilization. Then the tube nuclei will fuse with the polar nuclei of ovule to form a triploid structure known as endosperm. That is known as triple fusion. What is the function of endosperm, बच्चे? It provides nourishment to the zygote, to the developing zygote in the embryonic stage. That we will discuss better. This endosperm provide the nutrition to the developing zygote. This zygote will develop into a seed, बच्चे, into a plant. तो उसे nourishment चाहिए. कौन देगा उसको? Endosperm देगा. So that is triple fusion. As in plants, the 2 male nuclei, that is generative nuclei and tube nuclei, fuses with 2 female gametes to produce zygote and endosperm. That process is known as double fertilization. A very, very important question for your board exam. What is double fertilization? Explain its steps. What is double fertilization? Fertilization beta, fusion of 2 male nuclei. Which male nuclei? One is generating nuclei and other one is tube nuclei. With 2 female nuclei, that is egg and polar nuclei, to produce a zygote and a triploid structure named as endosperm, is known as double fertilization. बच्चे 2 मेल न्यूक्लियाई का फ्यूजन 2 फीमेल न्यूक्लियाई से, ताकि एक जायगोट बन सके, दैट इज ट्रू फर्टिलाइजेशन, और एक ट्रिप्लॉइड स्ट्रक्चर एंडोस्पर्म बन सके, दैट इज नोन एज डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन. Double fertilization is composed of 2 steps. One is true fertilization or generative fertilization, in which the first nuclei, that is generating nuclei, fuses with the egg or ovum of the female reproductive part to produce a zygote. And the other part of double fertilization is known as triple fusion, in which tube nuclei fuses with the polar nuclei to form a triploid structure known as endosperm. These two collectively known as a double fertilization, that is fusion of 2 male gametes with the 2 female nuclear gametes to produce zygote and endosperm, is known as double fertilization. Now we will discuss formation of fruits and seeds. Fertilized egg, which is formed after double fertilization, that is known as zygote, will divide rapidly, quickly, and multiple times to produce an embryo. जो जायगोट बच्चे बना है ट्रू फर्टिलाइजेशन में, वो डिवाइड करेगा बार बार और तेजी से. It divides repeatedly and rapidly to produce multiple cell structure known as an embryo. Then a hard covering surrounds the embryo, and that will leads to formation of a seed. That hard covering is known as seed coat. जो एम्ब्रियो बनेगा बच्चे, उस एम्ब्रियो के अराउंड एक हार्ड कवरिंग आएगी, एक हार्ड कोटिंग आएगी, दैट is known as a seed coat, and that hard covering around an embryo is known as a seed, and that's how a seed is formed. These seeds are of two types, बच्चे, monocotyledons or dicotyledons, which composed of one cotyledon, that is known as monocotyledon seeds, and the seeds which have two cotyledons are known as dicotyledon seeds. Then, female reproductive part, that is ovary, will grows into fruit. A very important one marker question. Which part of the flower will grows into a fruit? The answer would be female reproductive part, that is ovary. And which part grows into a seed? The fertilized egg or zygote present in the ovule will develop into a seed after multiple divisions and a hard covering over it. Which part will grows into a fruit? Female reproductive part, that is ovary. Which part will grows into a seed? The fertilized egg or zygote present in the ovule. So that's how a fruit and seed is produced, is formed in plants. Rest all the parts of a flower. Which parts? Like sepals, petals, stamens, and carpel, they all shred off. They'll dried off and shred off from the plants.